This is a short presentation on a connection between my tribe and the people in Asia, which is going to be different than what I normally would do. Lake Quinault, which is up in my tribe's land up there, which is a natural lake that's made up there off the Olympic Peninsula and the Olympic Mountains. But in our Lake Quinault, at 47 degrees, 28 minutes at 20.97 north, and at 123 degrees, 52 minutes, 7.54 degrees west, in our lake at Quinault is an underwater rune. You're going to wonder how I can prove that? I'll show you. And then I'll show you another image after that. Now bring it over here. Lake Quinault, underwater ruins, pre-flood. Copyright, Roger Calty. Ha ha ha, can't steal it. Anyway, 47, 28, 28, and there's that 123, 52, 7.54 west. And up here, red are latitudes, green is longitudes. So you go from Lake Quinault, which is located here at 123 longitude west, you go north up the coast toward Alaska until you get to Mount Pelock, Alaska, which is located at 57 degrees, 57 minutes, 08 seconds north, 156 degrees, 22 minutes, 36 seconds west, which is this number right here, 57, 156, 57, 156, which represents Mount Pelock. And then you launch Mount Pelock, which I just showed you right here, to the Sitkinak Island. Where's the Sitkinak Island? See that arrow? It's pointing to 56, 154, which is right between these two squares. That's what this represents right here. From that circle to this circle, that's within a circle, you align that mountain to this island called Sitkinak Island. And then you go 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50,
And
48,
these are degrees,
48.
latitude, and longitude.
They already know that. I'll put
Yes.
that over here. And now you threw me off. Anyway, like she said, latitudes 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, till you get to 45. And what's that, 45? 144 longitude. How do I know that? Longitude 156, 155, 154, 153, 152, 151, 150, 149, 148, 147, 146, 145, 144. Where that arrow is pointing to is when you're entering Asia. At 44 degrees latitude and 143 degrees longitude is Lake Seroma, which is it's on the mainland going toward Hokkaido. You keep going down to 43 degrees latitude and 142 degrees longitude, it takes you to Hokkaido Island. Hokkaido was ruled by the Jomon people in 14,000 BC. So if you keep going from Hokkaido and you go to 43, 141, which is in between these two squares, it takes you to Sapporo, Japan. And what's in Sapporo, Japan? It was the Ainu. They were from 13,000 BC, which is 1,000 years younger than the Jomon up here. But you keep going to 42, 41, till you get to 40 degrees latitude, 140 degrees longitude. It takes you to the Quinault stone circles, which is another Jomon site, which has been dated to 2000 BC. And why is all this alignment important? Well, you keep following the alignments from 40 to 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, and it ends at 24. What's that 24? 24 degrees latitude, 123 degrees longitude. And what's located there? The YonaGuni Island, which are also known as an underwater rune, which was pre-flood at the Ryukyu Islands in Japan. and its latitude is 24 degrees, 26 minutes, 09 seconds north, 123 degrees, 00 minutes, 41 seconds east. Now, what is, I'm showing you that they have in common here. They're at the same longitude on opposite sides of the world. What are that this could be a coincidence that it went from 123 degrees longitude west and it ended at 123 degrees longitude east. And what does both of these have in common? Quinault, underwater ruins. YonaGuni, underwater ruins. 123 degrees west, 123 degrees east. From an underwater ruin to another underwater ruin. From Quinault to right off the coast of Japan and Taiwan. And everybody's wondering about the YonaGuni island and the underwater ruins and all of these stories, if it's man-made or natural. It's man-made. Even my tribe doesn't even know that there's underwater ruins in their own lake, in their own backyard. But hey, who takes Roger seriously anyway? That's all I wanted to show you. The connections between my tribe and the YonaGuni ruins.